Good day everybody, welcome back. Today our video discussion is going to be on a recently introduced product that I picked up a handful of. This is the Go Picnic Turkey Stick and Crunch Ready to Eat Meal. I think they're using the term meal rather loosely. This is 270 calories and a net weight of 2.7 ounces. That's 77 grams of food. That is not a lot of food. They do have some individually packaged products in here, so it's convenient. They do cover some basics of your proteins, some chips for carbs, some fruit for some vitamins, and some more fruit for some more vitamins, and then some sort of sweets for your straight up calories. It's got some chocolate in here. So humor me while we open this up and have a look through. Just to be sure, this, at 2.7 ounces of food, does not replace a ready-to-eat meal. And it does not replace an IMP, or a British ration, or a Russian ration, or anything else that you would find along the MRE's range, which completely has a lot more food, has a difference in shelf life. These are stable for, I believe, generally 3 to 5 years. This here is by the months. This particular one is good till May 2016. I ordered this in February of 2016. It took about 5 or 6 weeks to get to me, and that leaves me with a window of about 8 weeks between when I got this product and when it is stale dated, so not a long shelf life. Alright, so we'll open this up. It's got a nice little side flip-flap thing here. You peel it up, you've got a slot, and you've got a little joke on here. It says, "Did you know that?" And where's the rest of it? There's it all. It takes 20 minutes for the brain to receive the message that you're full, so savor each bite. Yeehaw. There's a whole bunch of words on there. I'm going to hold that up, pause it if you want to read it all. I'm not going to. Now you see the products. We've got peel apart tropical fruit, a bag of Tutti Frutti, no MSG added, trans fats or HFCS, high fructose corn syrup. We've got a little bag of pop chips. We've got a little Choco Mallow crispy bar, and by little I mean, yeah, like 1 3/4, 2 inch long, and the main course, turkey pepperoni, and that is not very big. I just noticed here in the bottom of the box they have a Sudoku. I don't know how to do those. If you do, pause your screen, take a erasable marker, do the Sudoku, and then come back to the rest of the video. Alright, so here's all the food laid out on my little lunch tray here. We're going to open them all up, get them spread out, and then we'll do our taste test. Stay with me. Alright, so everything's taken out of the packaging and into the meal tray. What I'll do is at the very end of the video, I will put a still shot of the nutritionals. So it'll be of the box itself, not of the individual pieces from the meal. So we'll start off, where should we start? Let's start off with the Tutti Frutti. This is a mix of seeds. See here now, all natural fruit, nut, and seed snacks in handy, portable, single portion packs. This single portion has a net weight of 18 grams or 0.63 ounces. That's just over half an ounce. So literally there are 3 banana chips in here, about 10 raisins or craisins, about 10 pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, and maybe a couple pieces of mango in there. Let's try it out. Good consistency on the banana chip, nice and crunchy, good flavor. Raisins, tastes like craisins, which is cranberry raisins. Seeds, yep, everything's in good order. Now we'll try the peel apart tropical fruit thing, which incidentally said made in Canada, so that was made in Canada, shipped to the US, and then shipped back to me in Canada. Really environmentally sound there. So this is your usual fruit leathery type product, a little bit sticky. Smells strongly of a tropical fruit type flavor. Yeah, it's in good order. Not overly powerful, not overly sugary. And I'm sure they're hidden some vitamins in there somehow. We also have the what I call the main part of the meal. This is where you're got some fat in here, some protein, some meat. I'm gonna try that stick out. It's definitely smaller than your average pepperoni stick, but it might be comparable to a grocery store, the Slim Jims, etc. So not slagging it, it's just not a lot there. Good strong flavor. The consistency of the meat is nice, good mouthfeel. And surprisingly, for a turkey pepperoni stick, it's actually pretty good. They're not incredibly salty either. Sometimes they use that as a trick to doll up the different types of meats. Here we got some barbecue potato popper chip snacks. We'll try them. There's a full-size one there. Not a lot of smell. That's good. Really good crunch. The bag has held up reasonably well. There's a lot of little pieces in there, but there's also a few full-size chips, so you get the full effect. It does have a barbecue chip flavor on it, which is that generic powdered flavoring, but it tastes alright and it's not way too strong. Alright, now we're back for the last thing. I have consumed everything else in this meal, and I'm still rather hungry. But let's try this. This is a Choco Mallow Crispy bar. It smells strongly of like a chocolate cereal, like a kid's candy type cereal. Let's give it a try. That's pretty good. It's less dense than the Rice Krispie type squares that my wife makes once in a while. The chocolate's not overpowering, and also it's not overly sweet. So there you have it. That's my consumption and discussion on the turkey stick and crunch ready-to-eat meal. Overall, I would give that a solid 8 on a 1 to 10 scale, 10 being best, 1 being not so great, if you were considering this on a ready-to-eat snack. As a ready-to-eat meal, I'm sorry, I'm not a big guy, but 270 calories and less than 3 ounces of food, not really calling that a meal. Is it worth $5? Around there, yeah. I'd be happy to send my kid to school with this for a couple of snacks, along with a good old ham and cheese sandwich or something like that. Would it be handy in an urban environment? You're out at a conference, you're somewhere out of town where you don't have the fridge within reach to pack meals around. Yeah, take a couple of these, 3 of these in your suitcase, take them in your trade show booth, and there's some good snacks between meals. But definitely you want to stick with at least a solid breakfast and dinner, and call this a snack or two. I'll say thank you for watching. I'll put the nutritionals in a still shot at the end. If you enjoyed this video and the content, please like, share, and subscribe on the appropriate platforms. Join me on Instagram under the same name, and we'll see you on the next one.